Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Vimeo Create for Clean Caption Styling, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start with, open your Vimeo dashboard. Log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Create section. In the Create menu, select Vimeo Create. You will see the option to create a new project. Click on New Project. After opening your project, locate the video editing tools. Look for the Captions feature in the editing panel. Click on Captions to open the caption settings. Here, you can upload your caption file or create new captions. If you choose to create new captions, type them directly into the provided text box. Be sure to sync your captions with the video playback for accuracy. Once your captions are set, find the caption style options. Explore the different styling presets available for your captions. You can customize the font, size, color, and background of your captions. Select the style that best fits your video's theme. Preview the changes by playing the video in the editor. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure clarity and readability. When you are satisfied with the caption styling, click Save. Now you can proceed to finalize your video project. Once finished, click the Publish button to make your video live. Your video will now display clean, styled captions for viewers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.